conformity is society. Society is this reality. Aye. The faces that saw me and the angels that warned me, they told me to run and dispose of the gun. I could have escaped, be gone with no trace. Instead I just stayed within society's gaze. Cause I can run but I can't hide, and I must justify the way I live my life until the day I die. I live within these gates, I cannot go against, so I must seek it through. Oh, there's nothing left to do, nothing left to do. Oh, there's nothing left to do. They said I was crazy, and they called me a fool. But words cannot change me, and my respect for the rules. I may be part of the system, oh, but if I could rule this land, the rules would be different. But I am just one man. I am one man. Cause I can run but I can't hide, and I must justify the way I live my life until the day I die. I'll live within these gates, I cannot go against, so I must see it through. Oh, there's nothing left to do, nothing to do.
So I wish I was under a tree, far away from society, where the only truth in me is the soothing sound of my own entity. While my other voice is free, it expresses words of plea to return to a stable form of reality.
But I'm inside of that tree. That tree's inside of another tree. The perplexity is infinity, so I will just chill with a split. See, I'm inside of that tree. That tree's inside of another tree. The perplexity is infinity, so I will just chill.
Oh yeah, cause I can run, but I can't hide, and I must justify the way I live my life until the day I die. I live within these gates, I cannot go against, so I must see it through. Oh, there's nothing left to do, cause I can run but I can't hide, and I must justify the way I live my life until the day I die. I live within these gates, I cannot go against, so I must see it through. There's nothing left to do, nothing left to do, nothing left to do.
Thank you.